What's up, it's your boy Damien Dupee here, and I'm here to teach you how to flip vacant land for cash money. Land acquisitions is what I do, and now I'm making over 6 figures per year. If you're here, you're probably sick and tired of where you're at, and you want to start working for yourself while being financially free. This is where I come in at. I want to share with you how I did it and how you can get started. The first step is to identify a builder that's looking to acquire vacant land. This is actually called reverse engineering. Reverse engineering is starting at the end, which is your buyer, and finding them exactly what they want to purchase. You want to avoid the spray and pray approach, which will waste time and money. Spray and pray is when you market in a way that has no target buyer in mind. Once you make contact with the builder, you want to get their buying criteria. If you want to see me do this step by step, the link is in the bio where I go over this in more detail. Don't forget to like, and until next time, peace.